Science Museum Oklahoma is the space for a curious mind, the risk taker, the rule breaker, the inventor, the artist, the innovator, the dreamer. Fun runs rampant and discovery is around every corner. No matter what you love, you find your passion right here. It was an incredible vision from John A. Kirkpatrick to bring science to everybody. And once they realized how important it was and what it really meant for the community, it needed to grow. The impact that Science Museum Oklahoma has on students across the state is deep and wide because we give opportunities to students that they might not get in the classroom, whether it's robotics or experiments or just a place to explore. We are that place for them.
Supporting Science Museum Oklahoma's mission means that we get to provide STEAM experiences for students who wouldn't otherwise get access to them, to show kids all backgrounds that science is absolutely for you. STEAM careers are for you.
When you talk about what will really benefit the next generation, we are talking about skills in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, STEAM, and making it all come together and seeing that it does not exist independently, that they all exist together.
We've transitioned over the years from just looking at STEM education to including the A for arts. There's a symbiotic relationship between arts and science that was observed by none other than Albert Einstein, who said, all great scientists are first artists. We've brought that type of wisdom and that type of attitude in-house here at Science Museum Oklahoma.
Some of the biggest challenges that students are facing is just the accessibility. And that's one thing that the Science Museum does, is that we have a mobile lab that will go out into some of those rural areas that maybe do not have the science equipment.
We believe in the potential of every student, and by the time they leave, we hope they believe in their own potential too.
And if the Science Museum Oklahoma can give them that spark, whether it's seeing the planetarium or Curiosity or Science Live, whatever it is, that one spark makes all the difference in the world.
At Science Museum Oklahoma, we empower students to push those boundaries, ask the deep questions, get a little dirty, and discover how critical science, technology, engineering, arts, and math are for connecting our lives, evoking change, and building the world we want to live in. We want to expand our reach so that every curious child can find their place in our community. These students are the innovators and risk takers of the upcoming generations. They can change the world. We are ensuring that they know they can.